They ruled our planet for 170 million years. Then they left the Earth for us. Historically, a city-sized meteorite crashed into our planet 65 million years ago. It crashed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula. This impact created many environmental changes. The impact caused a massive dust cloud to block sunlight, covering the entire atmosphere. This prevented plants from photosynthesizing, causing them to die. The Earth's temperature dropped. Many of the surviving animals struggled to survive before becoming completely extinct. This is the simplest story of the dinosaur extinction we all know. It's now been discovered that dinosaurs were already starting to go extinct before the meteorite hit. So today, in this video, we're going to share some very valuable facts about dinosaurs that you've probably never heard before. The dinosaur ecosystem started to change 10 million years before the meteorite hit. The older, longer-reigning dinosaur species couldn't cope with these changes. These environmental changes included rising sea levels, volcanic eruptions, and snowfall. We know dinosaurs preferred warm climates because it helped them maintain their body temperature. Dinosaurs lived on all 7 continents, even Antarctica, because it didn't have ice back then. 90 million years ago, Antarctica was a vast rainforest. Also, it wasn't located where it is today. At that time, all the continents were together. This was the period of Earth's highest temperatures. Because of this, sea levels were high, and sea temperatures rose to 95 degrees Celsius. Antarctica experienced a unique night, the polar night, which lasted for months. The South Pole's climate rapidly changed, melting all the ice and adding it to the ocean. Dinosaurs didn't shed their skin like snakes do today. Instead, their old skin flaked off like dandruff. This is known as dino fluff. There was a dinosaur called the Gomphos elcucci. This dinosaur looked like a cross between a porcupine and a macaw. It had a 2-inch wide beak. Its beak was very short, with naturally sharp teeth underneath, like tree-cutting shears. Our T-Rex had a good bite, but the Piranhames's bite was twice as powerful. If so, what was its maximum bite? The king of the dinosaurs, T-Rex, had the strongest bite. This record is now held by the Australian freshwater crocodile. But the Piranhames's bite was 3 times more powerful, and they had large teeth, many of which were about 10 inches long, about the size of an iPad. Today's animals can be divided into 2 groups, warm-blooded and cold-blooded. Scientists say dinosaurs were likely mesothermic, meaning their body functions could generate and regulate their body temperature. Scientists thought that the plates, horns, and other sharp features of dinosaurs like Stegosaurus were mainly for protection, as they didn't have sharp teeth or claws. But this theory was gradually expanded as scientists studied it more. These features were also used for reproduction, attracting mates and identifying their species. Pachycephalosaurus and other dinosaurs had a helmet-like structure on their heads, which helped with protection and finding mates. Unlike in the movies, not all dinosaurs were huge. Some were our size, and some were even smaller than chickens. Large bones fossilize easily, which is why we find more large fossils than small ones. Europasaurus, also known as the island lizard, was one of the first small dinosaur species found. It was named so because it was found in fossils from around the time of the dinosaur extinction. If we talk about the size of these dinosaurs, they were very similar in size to German shepherd dogs, but they weren't that agile. They had a back made of bone and a tail like a club. Ankylosaurus was like a dinosaur version of today's armadillos and armoured animals. Only their upper part was protected this way. Their lower part had normal skin like other dinosaurs. So various carnivorous dinosaurs often flipped these animals over to hunt them. Some scientists say they had bony eyelids. Some dinosaurs ate meat, while others ate plants. Some even ate stones. Hard to believe, right? Yes, there were stone eaters. Gastroliths, a type of dinosaur, swallowed round stones to help digest their food. Erlikosaurus looked very strange, like an alien creature. They couldn't do much with their large arms because their flexibility depended on their arms being close to the ground. Like our world, most dinosaurs were herbivores, with fewer carnivores. Most large herbivores were very lazy, often swallowing large branches without chewing. as evidenced by fossils. Some large dinosaurs consumed as much food as a bus daily. Although movies show dinosaurs hunting together, scientists haven't found evidence of large dinosaurs hunting aggressive towards each other over food, as seen in fossil records. Dinosaurs preferred to walk during the day, and the nocturnal Ceratosaurus was active mostly at night. While large carnivorous dinosaurs slept, nocturnal mammals came out to hunt. Many of these mammals, which were their prey, lived in burrows during the day. Some weren't afraid of dinosaurs during the day. Small mammals like Repenomamus not only came out during the day, but also stole eggs from dinosaurs like Oviraptor. Pretty bold, right? They tricked dinosaurs and stole eggs. Scientists say that early dinosaurs flapped their arms to gain power while running, and gradually they evolved to fly. Unlike in the movies, real-world dinosaurs even had feathers. However, not all of them could fly. Did you know T-Rex had feathers? And T-Rex had excellent eyesight, so even if you hid within its sight, it could see you very well. T-Rex also had a good sense of smell. Scientists have found that T-Rex could run at a speed of 19 kilometers per hour. Some dinosaurs had tails as large as 45 feet. These tails helped them maintain flexibility while running. This advantage was only available to bipedal dinosaurs. The Velociraptor was quite different from what we see in movies. In the real world, they were like prehistoric chickens, small, slightly larger than turkeys, about 2 feet tall, and their skeletal system was very similar to chickens. They were the second most intelligent dinosaurs after the Troodon. Their brain was relatively large compared to their body, and their intelligence level was similar to today's ostriches. The name Velociraptor means swift thief. But the cedar pelter had a large body and a relatively small brain, about the size of a walnut or a lime. However, it's believed that they had their own built-in air conditioning. Scientists have found that their bony nose allowed good blood circulation, automatically cooling their bodies. The first news about dinosaurs was reported in China 3,500 years ago, when no one knew about dinosaurs. So they thought all the dinosaur teeth they found were dragon teeth. Hadrosaurs were dinosaurs with duck-like bills and over 1,000 teeth. When a tooth fell out, a new one grew back within days. Dinosaur eggs were quite large, about the size of a beach ball. Baryonyx was a dinosaur species that liked to eat fish. They had strong teeth and claws for this purpose, using sharp, arrow-like claws to catch fish. Mosasaurs are now Hollywood movie stars. It's more accurate to call them sea lizards than dinosaurs. Are related to today's monitor lizards and snakes. They also had wide jaws like snakes to swallow prey. Mosasaurs were very fast, powered by a paddle-like tail. Scientists say they probably had a poor sense of smell, based on their fossil studies. And they weren't as gigantic as in the movies. However, they were very dangerous predators. So, today in this video, we talked about some valuable information about several dinosaurs. Don't forget to add any information you know about the dinosaurs we discussed today in the comments below. If you learned something new from this video today, please like it. So, until we meet again another day, I'll say goodbye for now. Have a good day.